good.
Beautiful.
Unbelievable. Look how big it is. It's big, isn't it? It's massive. Oh mate, you've done a really good job. I like that too. The room around there.
This is amazing.
Look at you guys in the camera. Jesus. Oh, you got to be happy with that. Look how big this kitchen is. And then you got a bit more room around here. I mean, that's heaps big enough for two people.
It is, exactly.
Yeah.
This is
Thank
one
you.
for you and one for you.
Yeah, like it's only the two of us.
Yeah.
You know, like that's all you need. I'd prefer to have that room because obviously without it on 17, it was obviously a little bit tighter there.
Exactly.
And I thought that's just so much easier to get around there.
Yeah. And the angled kitchen is 18 foot, like just a little bit more.
Oh, it gives that a bit of style. Yep. I like it.
I haven't even looked down there. And this oven, I love it. Without the grill.
Yeah.
So you got all that room in there for your pots and pans and stuff. Because we found we never used the grill.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I think this one's got a little grill
That's
in it anyway if
fantastic.
you wanted to.
Yeah.
But we just never ever used it. So we went, we'd rather have that covered.
The space. I need to look at that. Oh my god, look at the size of that.
And this is like, you know, we only went up one extra foot.
Yeah.
But we just wanted more room in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You know, and like this is like basically double. Even though the van's only a foot longer.
Yeah.
It's amazing how
The
much it
difference.
changes. Yeah. These big windows are beautiful too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a huge fridge. Nearly as big as my one at home.
No, it's a credit to you. It's
Oh,
unbelievable.
you guys.
Yeah.
Handles from here
Oh yeah, perfect.
underneath. You just need to pull them up. Yeah.
Yep, beautiful.
So we've got the same amount of room.
Huge amount of room.
No. You can move the fans and things around.
Yeah, they'd be like the same as the other
Exactly.
ones.
Yeah. The same ones.
So while we're in here, where did you put the switch for that dust reduction?
Inside the company.
In that cupboard?
Yes. There is a the front one is a fan.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Yep, okay,
And
sweet.
after that, got the switches.
Yes.
And top of the power point, that is air condition. If you need the shutdown, because as a new rule, we want to do a cut down switch.
Oh, okay.
Power cut down switch.
Yep.
Not the direct to the 240.
Yep.
There's a power, if you need, you can cut down.
So I just turn that straight off and that'll actually shut it down?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's a new rule they brought
Yeah.
in. Okay.
And this is the changeover 240 and inverter.
Yes.
If you go to the 240, you want to make it down.
Yep.
And when you go to the inverter,
Okay, so I've got to put that up.
yeah.
Yep.
After that,
And then
yeah,
I just
yeah,
turn it off here.
Yeah, control the switch.
Yep, perfect. Can you did the thing on the battery?
Yeah.
And I said to Tan, something looks
There's
different.
something
there.
different.
Yeah, he's done something different.
Yeah. So new rules, so we want to cover the everything.
Yep.
And ventilation is outside.
Yes, yep.
And one day if you need to look at the battery, you will lift it up and unscrew the
That's
wire.
fine, yep. Because I put lithium battery in the
Yeah.
first van I got up here,
Yeah.
under the bed.
Yeah.
And I think it would have been fine because it was made before that rule. But because I knew people would whinge on the sites that I'm trying to sell it, I actually did what you did. I built a complete wood box and put in, which I don't think I actually
He
but I did.
copied off you.
Just so people couldn't whinge.
It's a good
you know.
idea too. Yeah.
Yeah, because as you know, they're safer than a normal battery.
Yeah.
But because of the EV cars
Oh, that's
and e-scooters, like those batteries are different because they're catching on fire,
Yeah.
then giving these a bad name.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
Oh my god, that's so much space in there. That is unbelievable.
Yeah, of course.
But I think that because if you need to clean
Oh, perfect. Yes.
Mine, they good size drawers, aren't they?
They're huge.
The angle is really good.
I like with your van too. I mean, you obviously got a few keys, but
Most
I got a
vans
mate.
have a
Yeah,
hundred.
this one I made to the two small doors, same key.
Beautiful.
The large doors, same key.
Excellent, yeah. That's beautiful.
We've got Tony and Tanya here, and they've just come to pick up their brand new Superior Rugged Rover. What do you guys think of your new van?
Oh mate, we're stoked. Yeah, nah, unbelievable.
Yeah, it looks really beautiful inside. The colours have come up so well, haven't they?
Oh, I can't believe it. Yeah, well,
Interior, exterior, they all match.
yep,
Very
yep.
nice.
Nah, it's brilliant.
Perfect. Why did you decide to go with the Superior RV?
Well, we got our first van off you guys, and we're really, really happy with that. But we just wanted to go a little bit bigger and something different, and we realised you were making a new model. So we came down and saw you, and as soon as we saw it, we went, yeah, we've got to have one of those.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it just went from there.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's very eye-catching when
Yep.
as soon as you walk in. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what was your experience like with your Aussie rider and the process of actually ordering your brand new Superior?
Oh, very easy. Probably the best thing is how we can work with your dad, and anything we want to do or change, he just accommodates us. Yeah, and we might come up with some weird ideas, but he said if it's possible, we'll do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we work together and just go from there.
100%. So Dad actually Nissan
Yes.
sits there and he works through the floor plan. So instead of just saying no to anything that our customers need, he'll actually go sit down and see whether he can make it work.
Yes.
And he'll go to the maximum possible options, and then we'll give you a couple of options to choose from as well, which is nice. He loves putting in the extra effort. So
That's right. I mean, he might say, I can do a certain thing, but I
Yeah.
can't exactly put it where you want because
Yeah.
of weights and things like that.
Exactly.
And then we just work together. Yeah. Yep.
Perfect. Where are you planning to go in your new van?
We're just going to do short trips for the moment, like from where we live.
Yep.
But we're hoping within the next sort of 12 months to do a big lap. Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Hopefully. Yeah.
Have you done that before in your Aussie rider? Where did you go in the previous van that you had?
The first we went was Broken Hill.
Yeah?
Yeah, went to a music concert.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so we spent 3 weeks.
Yeah,
Yeah, and other than that, we've just done short trips in it too.
perfect. So the quality of the van is pretty much exactly the same as the Aussie rider.
Yep.
Just the features in here are what changes.
Yes.
You can upgrade. So we can actually do the Superior in aluminium frame and honeycomb floors and things like that. So any options that you guys have,
Yep.
we can do that. Can you describe our customer service for us?
Oh, brilliant, mate. Nothing's been an issue. I mean, I've rang you at 6, 7 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
You've always answered the phone.
Yeah.
Sometimes we've been on the phone for half an hour.
Yeah.
But you always get back to me. Yeah, we work together really well, actually.
Yeah, perfect. And then lucky last question, how likely are you guys to recommend us to the people that see your van as well as your family and friends?
Oh, I'd recommend you guys to anybody.
Yeah.
Like you said, the quality,
Yeah.
the way that you can customise however you want,
Yeah.
and just lovely people. Like, you're just lovely people. Yeah, so you want to come back, You're a small family business. Everyone's doing it tough, but you guys go beyond to help. Yeah, it's brilliant.
Perfect. Anything else you guys want to add? Anything you want to say?
Mate, I just want to get out and use it.
Yeah.
I just want to hit the road.
Yeah. All good. That was amazing. Thank you
Yep.
so much.
No worries.
We really liked having you here, and obviously we have really good communication and
Yep.
a really good rapport. So thank you.
No worries, thank you.
It's
And thank you to Nissan too.
Yeah,
Yep.
perfect.
Thank you.
So thank you again, mate. Appreciate it, excellent.